13. A trapezoid has an area of 36 meters squared and altitude of 2 meters. Its two bases in meters have a ratio of 4:5. The bases are, so for solution, i-drawing natin muna si trapezoid, yung trapezoid natin. Ang altitude, yung h niya is 2 meters. Tapos yung two bases niya, ang ratio is 4:5. So sabihin natin yung upper base is A, the lower base is B. At ang area nitong trapezoid is 36 meter squared. Ang ratio ng A, yung upper base niya sa lower base, is equal to 4:5 or simply 0.8. So A over B is equal to 0.8 and A is equal to 0.8 B. Now using yung formula ng area ng trapezoid, which is equal to 1/2 times A plus B times yung altitude natin, sabihin natin that is H. So area is 36 meters squared is equal to 1/2. And since yung A natin, in terms of B siya is 0.8 of B, pwede natin gamitin ito. So you have 0.8 B plus B times yung altitude natin is 2 meters. 2. So 36 is equal to 1/2 and 2, 1.8 B. Divide natin both sides sa 1.8. 1.8. So B is equal to 36 divided by 1.8, 20 meters. And since meron na tayong B, pwede natin gamitin itong formula kanina na A is equal to 0.8 B. So A 0.8 times 20. So A is equal to 0.8 times 20 is 16 meters. So the bases are 16 and 20 meters.